Today we're down in sunny Salcombe and we're taking out an old Danfoss heat pump unit. I don't know if I can get a decent picture from here, which is in a very, very unusual location. Basically this heat pump has been in for about 10 years and it wasn't ever fitted properly. It's got the wrong type of fuse, it's been tripping out repetitively, compressor's gone, it's been leaking. It wasn't treated to be by the sea air as well, hence all the rusty parts on it. And we're looking to basically get this unit out. We're going to put a new valent in a better location because, I mean, if you look here, I'm stood on a raised metal platform screwed to the house. The air circulation is going to be horrendous because of all this coverage, and it's not much better trying to distribute straight into a bank either. We're going to get a new valent unit fitted down on a little kind of sub patio, and plenty of airflow, better for access. I mean, we certainly wouldn't want to be doing anything other than just disconnecting and making safe this unit up here, not without getting a full scaffold, which should be ridiculous for a service. So yeah, we'll get some photos and another video later on, let you know how we do.